Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Kristen. Hello, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I saw this look on Instagram. Chrisspy posted it when she went to LA Pride. That was a long time ago, I know. Let me live. But when I saw the picture on Instagram, I just needed to recreate it. So here we are. To do this look, I used the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I don't know if this is the exact palette that she used, but this is what Kristen used. So I'm not going to be doing a voiceover for this video, heads up, because none of these shadows have names. So I will link everything down below that I used, and I'll put a fun song over this. Let me know if you like tutorials like this, and if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. That is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media as well. That's always linked down below. If you guys have any video suggestions or want me to do more inspired tutorials, send me pictures of what you want me to recreate. You can send them to me on Twitter, on Instagram, comment down below. Let me know. If you want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. If you're following me on all my social media, or if you leave a comment on my video, that is a little entry to get a shout out in my next video. So just make sure you're following me on Twitter. I always have tweets that say retweet for a shout out. On Instagram, I'll have comment for a shout out, something like that. And yeah, if you just leave a nice comment on my videos, then that's another way you can get a shout out. This week's shout out is right here. Thank you so much for all your love and support. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.